out at South Central Bank. I'm with Haley. We are about to play hashtag Connect4Charity, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
So we're headed on inside the bank. Let's go, Haley.
Let's go.
Goodness, everybody. We are at South Central Bank with Haley Crawford. Hey, Haley.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Have you seen hashtag Connect4Charity?
I have.
Yes. And why is South Central getting involved with hashtag Connect4Charity, South Central Bank?
Community outreach.
Community outreach.
Yeah.
That is so awesome. So we're going to play a game of Connect4.
Okay.
Are you good?
I'm okay. I haven't played since I was a kid, but I think I'm pretty good.
Oh, I tell you what, I was a kid a way long time ago, but I have been playing a few.
Okay.
All right, you
All right,
ready?
you've been practicing all
I've been practicing, so
All right.
hashtag drop the checker where we're in your house, so we'll let you go first.
I'm going to go in the middle.
Okay. Oh, my, can you believe I didn't do that on purpose, guys. Okay. All right, Haley, hashtag drop the checker.
Okay.
All right. All righty, so sometimes I talk to kind of throw the competition off,
Yeah.
but you thought you had me there,
I
didn't
did.
you?
I was like, he didn't see that.
Uh-huh. And see, sometimes when I'm talking, I throw myself off. But, Haley,
What?
I think I won.
Did,
I got Connect4.
you did!
I did.
Look at the diagonal. That's
Well,
okay.
Thank you so much for playing.
You are so welcome. Thank you.
Connect4Charity. And guys, we're supporting the historic Rail Park L&N Depot. There's a bunch of different names for it.
Yeah, there
so
is.
it's hashtag Save the Depot. April 26th, we'll be playing at Trent Betting. And guys, guess what? Haley, she may even come out and play.
I might do that. I might beat you this time.
Oh, yes. Rematch, right?
Right, that's right.
Awesome.
Best
So
2 out of 3.
Best 2 out of 3. All right. Thanks, guys.
Thank
See you later.
you.